Have you ever been at a bowling center and heard the word double or way to get a turkey, or you just had a Brooklyn, or you're the anchor, or even a sour apple? Hey, this is Justin with Mid Ohio Mortgage with this week's bowling/mortgage tip of the week. Wanted to come to you this week to give you some definitions of some bowling terms and mortgage terms. So first, the bowling terms. A double. A double would be considered two strikes in a row, consecutive. So if you get two strikes in a row, you can say, hey, I just got a double. The next one is turkey. Turkey is three strikes in a row. So a lot of the times you may see on the scoring monitors, you'll see a turkey walking across if you get three strikes in a row. The next one's a Brooklyn. A Brooklyn strike is when you throw the ball, if you're right-handed and you get a strike with the ball crossing over to the left of the head pin, it's considered a Brooklyn. If you're left-handed and it goes to the right, it's considered a Brooklyn. Going to Brooklyn, New York is where the terminology came from. The next one is anchor. If you are the anchor bowler on your team, that means you are the last bowler. No, that doesn't mean that brings your team down, like sometimes it is when I'm the anchor bowler. But it just means it's the bottom of the team, the last bowler on your team, whether it be 3, 4, or 5. The next terminology that I want to give you in regards to bowling is called the sour apple. The sour apple is what a lot of bowlers dread whenever they throw the ball. If you hit the pins down and you leave the middle pin, which is a 5 pin, and the 7 and the 10, so it kind of looks like a sour apple with the seeds just sitting there. So the sour apple is the dreaded split. It's almost next to impossible to make, but some people have. So that's the terminology for bowling. As far as mortgages go, I just wanted to kind of give you a quick rundown of some terminologies that are used in the mortgage industry. LTV. LTV stands for loan to value. Whatever the loan amount is, and the amount that the house appraises for, that's what you would figure your loan to value. DTI is debt to income ratio. Based off of whatever your income is, we'll do an equation to figure out what your debt to income ratio is. We'll add up all your debts on your credit cards, if you have them, car payments, and your house payment is how we come up with the DTI. Most banks like it to be somewhere underneath 45%. APR is the annual percentage rate for your mortgage. If you have your closing costs are included in your mortgage, your APR will be different than what your interest rate is. The monthly interest rate, though, is calculated based off of what your interest rate is, not what your APR is. FHA is the Federal Housing Administration. It's one of the loan programs that's available out there. We do those at Mid Ohio Mortgage. USDA is the United States Agricultural Department. Again, another product that we offer. VA is the Veterans Administration. There's 100% loan financing for veterans. If you're a veteran, please call Mid Ohio Mortgage. We'll get you set up. And then HUD is the Housing and Urban Development department that watches over a lot of the loan programs. OFA is the Ohio Housing Finance Agency, and those are for first-time home buyers. We do all of those loans above, and then we also can figure out your LTV, your DTI, and your APR. So if you have any questions in regards to either bowling terminology or mortgage terminology, please don't hesitate to give me a call. You can contact me at one of the numbers on the side of the screen, or you can shoot me an email. Also, please don't hesitate to share this with all your friends and family. Upload it to Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, all of those sites. I would really appreciate it. Again, my name is Justin, Mid Ohio Mortgage, and as always, make it a great day.